All right, so if you're searching for an acreage on the Pillar9 system, maybe you're having some challenges trying to find it. Some of that is related to the input of the data that was previously put in, such as Poplar Ridge is no longer really a subdivision. It is in certain areas by the looks of it, but not the way us in Red Deer in areas would have expected. Poplar Ridge is now being entered in as a city, so it can be kind of challenging to find all the results for that area because we did not input it in that manner, and that data wasn't necessarily pulled in. So there's only 3 results coming in for Poplar Ridge, and is that accurate or not? So let's take a look here at the way I recommend that you go, and that's doing a acreage search or a property search using the map feature. So we're going to click on maps, and we're going to jump in here to Red Deer, and we're going to zoom in on Poplar Ridge, and you can see this is the Poplar Ridge area. For those of us that are familiar with Red Deer, we can highlight the properties that are currently listed for sale, and the results are actually a little bit more than the 3 that we had just within that block that I've selected. Now we could certainly make that block larger or smaller as the case may be, but you can see that the city for some of them is Poplar Ridge and other ones are input as rural Red Deer County. So this is the challenge that we have with the data import and transferring, that how it was input previously and how it is input today is going to yield different results. So, when in doubt, have a conversation with the board about, Poplar Ridge and how we should be inputting those. Also, I highly recommend that you choose acreage with residence no matter where the acreage is, if you're inputting an acreage, and use that as one of the styles, and then add bungalow or bi-level or 2-story or 1-story or whatever the case may be when it comes to style to broaden the search results for most people, because you want other agents to be able to find it, and the less information that you have input, the harder it is for some people to find. So when it comes to input, err on the side of more data versus left, and then the search results will make it a little bit easier for people to find. So any more questions about searching for an acreage on Pillar9 system, please let us know. I'm happy to help.